Well, you guys might remember that I completely missed the Epcot 35th anniversary because I didn't know it was going to happen until it happened. Luckily, someone told me about the 30th, so here we are today. Alright, well now that you saw what has showed of the parade and the opening ceremony, sorry I'm not important enough to get in the media area. This is the line for exclusive merchandise, and so far they've already said that some of the items are running out and may be sold out already. Now that is some exclusive merchandise where you can't even possibly buy it if you're here on the day of. But we'll see what we have here when we get in. Again, these are the offerings, the Magic Band and the pass holder pin, which I'm not a pass holder anymore, so those are already low quantity. Yeah, I decided, never mind. It was moving pretty decently, but this is where I was over here. I only have one day because I have a compass. Comes over here. I guess it goes in there. I mean, that certainly isn't the ride for Muppet Vision 3D. And I think it goes down this way. Oh my gosh, down there. And this might be the front of the line. Nope, it keeps going. Down there. Down there. I mean, I don't even want the merchandise, so I was like, yeah, never mind. I already have enough stuff at home. So yes, here is where the line ends in this shop. All the way over here. I was all the way over there, and it's a lot of back and forths. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff to shoot today. I don't have time to stay in the line for a pin. And it wouldn't be a theme park without construction walls, would it? Unfortunately, I don't actually know what's going on behind the wall. I'm sure it's just refurbishment, but well, I'm guessing it's refurbishment. 30-minute standby. Actually, not bad at all. Well, almost 30 years ago today, I remember what. I'll put the date below if I can find it. I saw this globe for the first time when it was called MGM Studios. It's a great shot of Hollywood Boulevard. Looks pretty empty. I've said this in other videos, but if you missed it, if you think this looks a lot like Universal Studios, there's a reason. When Universal was looking for funding, they went to a bunch of different companies. One of the companies they went to was, I believe, Paramount, and the head of Paramount at the time was Michael Eisner, who then moved to Disney and opened his park. Now, Universal opened after MGM Studios, but that's because they had the funding sooner. Hello, Spring. Well, in another video I'll be shooting later today, I will be going to the Flower and Garden Festival for the first time this year, finally. If this channel keeps growing and I keep getting more monetized views, things like that, I'll get an annual pass again for Disney. But right now, you know, that California trip, it's expensive. Plus all the gear I've been buying. Oh look, fuel rods. Where have we seen this recently? Yep, they've been here longer than they've been at Universal. I don't know how long. But here, you can exchange them for free. Unlimited too. Which also means if you buy them at Universal and come here, you can trade those for free as well. If you don't want to spend $30 on a recharger, portable recharger, this is $14.99. But it obviously is not swappable, so once it's drained, you have to recharge it. Alright, I'm in Starbucks to get their exclusive treat. This is brand new for today. Hopefully it'll be as good as the Spaceship Earth cupcake. I will be looking around for any other exclusive stuff If you're wondering, the line for Starbucks is actually not bad at all. Yep, I've said this before, but I'll repeat it. This is the best themed Starbucks I've ever been to. Unfortunately, a little bit dated because it goes back to the theming of MGM Studios when we first opened with the Backlot Tour and Who Framed Roger Rabbit, but it's still pretty awesome. Alright, well, the wait for the food, or the wait for the drink, was actually longer than the wait to order, but shorter than the line for merchandise. So this is, again, the Playful Lexo Ball, which is a reference to I believe one of the earliest test animations for Pixar, long before Disney bought it, and I think even before Steve Jobs did. So, let's see how it tastes. Found some more exclusive baked goods. You can get the Mickey or Minnie at $5.29. I'm only going to get one, so that's what the Minnie looks like. This is the celebration cake. Again, I got the Mickey because I had to pick one at that price. Comes with candles, you can see. And I'm going to make a wish. It didn't blow out. Must be one of those trick candles. I like the green. The reflection looks pretty cool. Now we're going to watch Dave put a lit candle in his mouth. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now this looks a little bit like a scoop of ice cream, but of course it isn't. This is a strange texture. Oh, this is like marshmallow. A little bit of cold, I don't know if that's peanut butter, but I'm not actually sure what that flavor is in the middle. Little Mickeys. Your opinion may vary, but definitely a skip. For me, anyway. Alright, I'm going to call this a significantly shorter line than earlier. Just gonna estimate. I believe the crowd is less than when I was here before, just by a little bit. $29.99 gets you this shirt, which is actually kind of nice and not that bad of a price either. $27.99 gets you this hat. Actually, it's a really nice hat and not that bad of a price. And you can see after the 3-hour tour line, it's still here. Here's a nice shirt. Actually, I like this too. $26.99 for this. Oh, they do have the Muppets. Oh, right. Man, this merchandise is nice. I really like it. Oh, and they did warn us that the supplies for the limited edition Magic Band were low earlier. Well, obviously did not run out. But I already have 3 of them, so that's all right. It's only 2,000 of them? Wow. $14.99 for this ornament. And look, even sounds like Christmas. Well, as of May 1st, they have quite a few of these left. It's almost tempting because there's only 2,000 of them made according to this. But again, Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thanks for running into my bag as I'm shooting. I'm kind of tempted because it's 2,000 total limited run, and there's quite a few left, so I can definitely buy one. And if I really wanted to, I probably could just resell that on eBay, but it's too much work. Wow, they really do have all of them out, don't they? I just decided these are kind of neat, even though they don't have purple. But, pretty cool. I don't know, I'll give them somebody, maybe it'll be a giveaway someday, who knows. But they might be sold out next time I'm here, so I had to get it now. I do like that they have the Muppets. Oh, nice.
Stop.
Okay, so you get all the way off the whole thing, thank you.
At attention. We'll see you again. Stand proud.
This was the entrance for Toy Story Mania, but that has moved over to Toy Story Land. So this is what they're using the former entrance for, which looks like just a photo op spot for the moment. Quick walk into Toy Story Land. It always feels like I'm saying it wrong when I say it, but it is called Toy Story Land, as opposed to Harry Potter World, which is incorrect. But last time we were here, it was nighttime. Hard to see anything. If you can't see, it says 65 minutes, which is probably not terrible, but I have a lot of parks to shoot still, so rather use that, well, going to other parks. It is a really awesome coaster though.
Here we go.
If I was only here for Hollywood Studios today, it would totally be worth the wait, but yeah, another time. This is informing me that it's only 25 minutes for this attraction. Yeah, okay, we'll go on it. I really do like this queue, as a kid who grew up in the 80s. I've said this in my previous video, but there's a lot of references to toys I used to play with, including Constructs, which I don't know how big those were back in the day, but I love playing with them. Green and purple? That's 2 out of 3 of my favorite colors. The other one's blue. Almost looks like a question mark.
On the outside.
Let's go over to that one. And we're jumping again. Whoa. It's already getting rough and it's not even that old. You have been chosen. Okay, I'll stop. Wow. Oh yeah, more walls. So that is my look at the 30th anniversary of Hollywood Studios. Hope you didn't hate it. And a little bit of the exclusive merchandise. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.